Hey, what's up? It's Goggles. I don't have my goggles on. But I just got done ripping. Like literally just got done, and this is about how dark it is outside, at least for my camera. So it's not like super dark. But like, yeah, it's pretty getting there. But that's why I like not having infrared filters in my quadcopter, because it's super cool. But I guess I'll shut up now, and we'll go watch this DVR, man. Woo.
I'm drunk off the side, pushing my chin out like crimson. I might throw everything by the wayside tonight. It's fucking cool, right? Stuck inside a thought. Dreaming about our talks. And all my eyes are on fire. Let's watch this world expire. Guess I'm a Trojan horse. Let me into your wounds, my and all my eyes are on fire. Let's watch this world expire.
Alright, and if you're still watching, after I got done flying, I really appreciate everyone watching and like me loving all that stuff on the channel. Yeah, it's super cool that like we get to go fly around like birds on crack. Like, it's just so cool to me. But yeah, sorry for the shaky holding camera cam. But big shout outs to all these pilots, whether it's here or goes across my face or whatever. But yeah, I don't have my list with me. I normally would do the paper list and just shout everyone out, but I don't got that. But yeah, I was just trying to rip before the rain kicks in down here in Texas. It's looking like good chances tomorrow, so I was like, go rip a pack before the rain kicks in, and I can't. But yeah, thanks for watching, man. Have a good one.
Fuck, man, that smells good. It's just that pure plant smell everywhere.
We walk the streets at night.